morning. Welcome to the practicals of food production. Today, in continuation with the practicals of third semester, we are preparing Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani with veg raita, which will be served as an accompaniment with the biryani. The biryani today's practical is based on Hyderabadi cuisine, and for the preparation of Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani, we have done some pizza over here. I'll be showing you some pizza here. For the rice we have taken the basmati rice for the preparation, which we have soaked for half an hour. Then we have over here some whole spices, in which we have star anise, some green cardamoms, bay leaf, clove, black peppercorns, mace, then cinnamon sticks and whole big cardamom, black cardamom. Then over here, we will be using these spices for the flavoring of our preparation of flavoring and the preparation of our boiling, when we'll boil rice, and when the rice is boiled, we'll be using these ingredients over here for layering, for which we have some mint leaves, some green chilies which are de-seeded and slit. Then we have here biryani masala, which we have prepared over here. I'll be sharing you the recipe with it. Then we have made a rogan over here, pure desi ghee, kevda essence for the aroma and flavor, and saffron for the richness of the rice. Then coming over here, we have done misa of the chicken, for which we have used curd, salt, coriander powder. Then we have red degi mirch. Then we have ginger garlic paste over here, and around 750 grams of chicken over here, and some chopped onions, which we'll be using for the preparation of the chicken. Then coming over here, for the accompaniment, we have raita, mixed vegetable raita, in which we have some de-seeded and chopped cucumbers. Then we have chopped coriander, fresh coriander. Then we have de-seeded tomatoes, diced tomatoes, some onions, ground cumin powder, which we have first broiled and then the ground make a powder over it. Then we have black salt and some curd over here. Now we will be starting with the marination of chicken for the dum biryani, for which we are using half lemon juice, then some red chili, salt to taste, and ginger garlic paste. A good amount of ginger garlic paste, so that it imparts the flavor in the chicken. Then curd. Now, as you can see, we have prepared the marination and chicken is coated with the marination. Now we will let it rest for around 30 minutes, so that chicken get tender and the marination gets inside in the flesh and gives a nice flavor during the preparation of the biryani. Now we will cover it with a clean film and let it rest for around 30 minutes in the refrigerator, so that the marination will be done very nicely in the chicken. Now to start, while our chicken is getting marinated, we will start with the boiling of rice. For this, all the whole spices we will add in the water. So adding whole spices in the water is that the reason is that when the rice will get cooked, these whole spices will add aroma and flavor in the rice and will give a nice aromatic rice after the preparation. So now if you can see, our rice is now cooked very well. The spices, all these whole spices have given a nice flavor and aroma in the rice. As you can see, for preparation of biryani we have to cook rice around 80% so that when we'll be using it during the preparation of biryani, layering biryani with the rice, they will also get cooked over there also with the dum. So rice is cooked to prevent overcooking during the dum preparation of the biryani. We'll start with the preparation of our chicken for the chicken biryani. For this we are using chopped onions. Around we have taken 3 large onions. We have chopped it and we are shallow frying it with the pure desi ghee, and we will fry our onions till onions get golden brown, and after onions get golden brown we will add our marinated chicken. As you can see, our chicken was getting marinated from around 1 hour. Now it is ready for the preparation. Once our onion gets brown, we will add marinated chicken in the preparation. So now our onion is brown. It is the time to add our marinated chicken in the preparation. So now this is the time to add our coriander masala, around 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, and a pinch of turmeric. Now as you can see, our chicken is ready. Now we'll be going to layer our biryani. So here we have taken a pot in which we will be first making a layer of rice. So now our first layer of rice, we have placed one first layer of rice. Now it is a time to add the second layer of chicken. Now some brown onions. Then fresh mint leaves, slit green chilies de-seeded, then fresh coriander, our homemade biryani masala, and ghee, clarified butter. Adding ghee will give the richness to the biryani. So now to add flavor and color, we are using saffron water. And our rogan. Now we'll go for another layer of rice. So now again one layer of chicken. So now again the same process. After layering chicken, we are using our brown onions, then fresh coriander, then with fresh mint, slit green chilies, and now again clarified butter, that is ghee. Some more biryani masala. Then our last layer of rice. So now once we have layered third layer of our rice, now it is the time to add again the brown onions, fresh mint leaves, and coriander, chopped coriander, again with the green chilies and our clarified butter, ghee. And now saffron water. And now the rogan. So now now as we have layered our biryani, we are using whole wheat flour dough for the dum preparation. Using dough for this will make sure that the steam will be trapped inside and it will not allow steam to get out of the utensil. So now as you can see, we have applied dough on all sides of our utensil. Now we will close it. Using dough will seal the utensil properly so that steam won't get out from this and steam will let our biryani cook in the dum. So now as you can see, our biryani is ready. We have served it with our mixed vegetable raita, and we have garnished it with some, as you can see, we have garnished it with some brown onions, fresh sprig of mint, and some slit green chilies, along with some lachanians and a lemon wedge with the serving. Thank you and have a nice day.